All right, only a few more days left to get entered into the giveaway to win yourself or your side-by-side a free cage. All you have to do is go to the canamcrew.com. Every $10 spent is one entry. If you buy the bundle, you get double the entries for your chance to win a free cage. The only disclaimer is you have to bring your machine here and be able to get it back. Aside from that, we'll build you whatever type of cage that you want within reason. We can talk about the details once we pick the winner. You can add, you have the option to add a front and rear bumper and whatever else that you want to do. What we're going to do is we're going to give you just the free main cage, the roof, the grab handles, the intrusion bars, B-pillars. So we're real excited to be able to do this for you. And let's get into this video and check out our website. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We are sitting at the base of Black Trail 56. So in this video we're gonna hit a little bit harder trails. Now we're on the Buffalo Mountain Trail system. There are no double blacks here anymore. They've removed them all from the map. 97, 90, those are all taken off of the map now. So unfortunately we're not going to have those to hit. And I got to interrupt this intro real quick because I have a side-by-side coming down and I got to get out of the way. Okay, I'm going to finish the intro sitting in here, kind of perched up on this bank. He said there's 2 more coming, but you can see here we're on the base of Trail 56. This will be going up it, and we're hitting it from Trail 11. So we're going to try and get you some black trails in this video. Try to hit a couple harder ones. I think 56 is probably one of the hardest black trails on Buffalo Mountain. If I can remember correctly, there's kind of like a little rock ledge and a pipe close to the side of the mountain. So I mean that gives it a kind of an element of surprise, because one wrong move it could probably end bad. But I know there's 56 and then one right after that 56 runs into, I believe, is 94. Yeah, it looks like 94. So those are the 2 trails we're gonna hit, and we'll see what else we can get you in this video. Should be a pretty good time. And after we hit the black trails, we have some bonus footage for you that we ran, and I think you're gonna like that too. So stick around to the end of the video. We'll show you that and show you something new. And it looks like we're gonna be clear to be able to hit this trail. Yep. Gave me the symbol of no more people behind him. So I'm gonna back up, get harnessed up, get some cameras rolling, and we'll head up this trail. And hope you enjoyed today's video. And the lineup, if you're not tuned in, this will be our 4th video of this series. We rode Rock House the first day, and we're on Buffalo Mountain there. We kind of did some destination type harder stuff, and it's myself, Sherry, and Tim and Amy, and then we have our friends Will and Alex with us. All 64-inch machines, all on Zillas except for Will. He's on 30-inch Liberties. When we get to a spot I can get out and film, we will, but for now we're just going to cruise up, and we'll take you along for the ride. Alright, let's hit 56. outside of the roll cage, see if we can get some tire action in there. Possibly the hardest spot, unless they fixed it, is coming up next. I think we'll stop here and get some outside the cab shots for you.
Okay, this is toward the end of 56, probably the hardest part. See there, all down there. I'll walk up here. It really leans you towards the bank. Alrighty.
Sherry's up. It's pretty cool. This is a little bit more 8 out than it used to be, but with this pipe being here, you really don't. I mean, unless you get up over that pipe, it kind of keeps you in check. This is a pretty decent ledge here. We've got Sherry coming up. We'll see what line she takes here. I'd assume probably all the same line. The only other option you would have maybe is coming, hitting it this way, but then you kind of lean off camber down into that. Nice job, Sherry. All right, Will's coming up next. Stock 30-inch Liberties. Nice job. All right, we got Alex coming up. XDS 32-inch Zillas. He said he might fill out the other line that I was talking about over here. He said he'll see how he feels once he gets up here. It's always different looking at it versus being in the machine and on it.
I don't know. There's actually not a lot of space. You gotta get further right.
I think if you no go. I was gonna say if you turn hard passenger where you're at, you'll get in a good line.
Up like this, Al.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. You're gonna want to roll through it.
Yeah, man, that's a lot of angle. No, you don't need that much angle. Damn, stop. And gassed.
Yeah, you don't want that.
I want to do it though, but I see the notch you're talking about from here, but when you pull up to it, back down and get further right. Nah, I'm not that good at backing up right now.
It's definitely different when you're inside the machine versus just standing here looking at it. I feel him. Okay, Tim's down there gearing up. He's on his way up through here. I think he said he's gonna try that one line so we can get an idea of what it looks like. I'm gonna come up here, get a little bit different angle for you. You're good. Just not enough momentum. You were up it and then you just slid down it.
And back up?
Yeah, you're fine. Yep, you're good.
You got about 6 inches before that front driver
you're good.
comes down. It's already home.
Yep. Did you hear her? She's like, oh, nope.
If he would have stayed in it,
Yeah. Ooh. Spider. I hate spiders. I survived the spider attack. I was getting out. It dropped to the ground. I killed it. We're good. Now we can finish off this trail. This trail is no longer on the map. They removed it from the map. But it's still here. It's not blocked. So he's gonna give it a go. 30-inch Liberties. right there. Straight. Nice job. Nice job. All right, Alex, you gonna show us what the Zillas have? Okay, got Alex up. 32 Zillas. 64-inch machine here. Nice job. All right, got Tim up. Nice job. What's up, everyone? So we left off with doing a couple black trails on Buffalo Mountain, and then we hit the like the end of 97, which is now like an outlaw trail. And I'm actually headed up right now to wash my machine. But we filmed a video earlier, and it didn't make any of the videos that we've done so far, so I'm going to put it in now. And I think you guys are going to like it. We headed over to Badlands down in Kentucky, and we flew the drone a little bit. It was an awesome ride, awesome view. So hopefully you guys like that. We're going to throw that in here now, and then I'll see you back here after you watch that and give you a little outro. Just turned onto the Devil Inch Trail. Now, fun fact with us is I don't know that there is a Hatfield McCoy trail and a lot of the outlaw trails, but definitely Hatfield McCoy trail that we have not been on in the side by side, or at least step foot on some of the ones at Ivy that we haven't done that are like buggy doable. But other than this trail, this is one of the only ones that we've never been on. So it's always exciting getting to hit new stuff, but yeah, we've never been on this trail before. I actually think it's fairly new. I think they just put it in last year. Out in the main one, I believe. Yeah. So we'll come out in the main one and we'll turn left, take a little bit of road over here, and jump on this trail here. And I believe that will take us right to Badlands. And time that this stuff was imported from another country to help soil erosion or something, and then it just pretty much took over and killed everything. You see it a lot in Tennessee too. It is just everywhere. Lots of really good sights to see. Do a little 4-wheel blow for this. Here, you want to film? Fun. Almost there. Okay, we've made it. It's up there. I'm gonna hook you on the roll cage. Sherry's over here filming. I haven't walked it. Looks pretty good, but we'll hook you on the roll cage and we'll head up, and then when we're up there, I'll get them coming up. Look at that view. This is gorgeous up here. Definitely gotta fly the drone up here for sure. It's a pretty good climb. It's rocky, it's all washed out. It's a long ways. You just gotta take your time. Don't want to take a weird bounce or else it could go incredibly wrong. So if you just go slow, let the tires do what they do, you should be good. I can see Sherry walking to the side by side now, so we'll be back here when she's on her way up. Those ruts down there are pretty deep. Tim's up. You got it? Yep. Are you sure? Yep. Don't you fall. That's probably good. It's out of the way enough. Yeah. What's up?
Stop, you're nipping it. Is she in there with him?
Yeah. Amy decided to come up along. Sherry said she wasn't sure if she was going to come up, but she is. At least I don't see her down there anyway. I think she's in the side by side coming up with Tim. Thanks, Coop.
Yep.
Time for some drone shots. I think that'll look cool. We'll cut to some drone. You say it was laid over?
Yeah, almost the whole way bent down. Yeah.
Sherry and the kids and Tim put it back up and bent it back. Probably got some high winds or something.
Yeah.
They bent it back the best they could. It's cool.
And then there's a sign there.
Amazing views.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, that's a drop off, isn't it? Wow. Cool shots of the flag flying.
Yeah.
Is that some kind of dozer or something down there?
Yeah. That you can see that.
The trailer, truck trailer, yeah. Down here. Yeah, I know. Makes you wonder how they come up here to put these in. There's a trail that goes all the way out through the ridgetop.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
If you've never been to Bald Knob, you gotta put it on the list. It's amazing views. It's on the tablets that we sell on our website, thecanamcrew.com. Check them out. We have ones with satellite views, ones with no satellite view, just the topographical. We use Bob T's maps, which are amazing for down here. But you can get over 65 different trail systems on our tablets. Some are specific to us because I've built a lot of the ones in Pennsylvania and some other states, so it's the only place you can get them is with our tablet. All right, we're gonna start working our way back. You be careful.
I'm fine.
Yeah, I don't think you are. We're gonna start working our way back. All right, what's up, everybody? Hope you enjoyed today's video. We're just cleaning up. I got mine done. Tim is washing his and wiping it down right now and get all the dirt off the cage. So just wanted to jump back on here and thank you guys for watching this video. We really appreciate it. Channel members, patrons, sponsors, you guys are awesome. Thank you. Everybody up on this screen, you guys are the MVPs. We really appreciate it. You're helping us come out here and do the things we love. You take a huge burden off of us, and in return we try to bring you the best content we possibly can, whether it be in the garage or out here and enjoying the scenery in West Virginia. So I'm going to finish wiping this off. I just want to jump on here and thank you guys for just being awesome subscribers. We really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that button down in the corner. Help us out, help us get to the next level. I just got bit by a mosquito really bad, so we're going to finish this up. We're going to head down, we're going to get a good night's sleep, and then we're headed back home, and we'll see what else we can get for you on the next couple videos. So tune in a few days and we'll see you there.